What's up, guys? Shamil here, new auto glass. I'm working on this Royce. Just got the door glass in there. Number one, look at this. So this is laminated. It was busted out. It was hanging down. It was a nightmare. But this door glass hooks. So I had to, because it was hanging, cut it, the top piece, so it's not hanging on the door. And then when I took the door panel apart, I didn't want to roll it down because this was still sticking out of the door. They really went on this, man. Tried to break in, couldn't do it. I had to go from outside because the window was all the way up with the hook tool, push these out, and I popped it out. There you go. This is the bad boy. All right, and this is what it looks like. I got the glass in. The glass was hanging. There's scratches from glass here. Yeah, it's insane. They really trying to break in, couldn't get it in there, so the glass was hanging down. It was insane. So a couple of things to take the door off. Number one, if you look in there, see how I got screws, but this piece is covered by this black piece. See, even this thing, that's still a little bit of glass in it. I gotta clean it up before I put it back in there. But there's no clips, double-sided tape here. So pop them out, torque wrenches in there. This piece right here, in the door, where is it? Where did I put it? Oh, it's still hanging. I was testing it. I was just testing it, I gotta unplug it. But this piece right here pops out. The light in the door handle, it pops out. There's a screw in the door handle here, which is in there. This pops out, and there's a screw right there. So you got 3 screws on the top, screw in there, and screw in there, and you just, usual suspects, pop out all the clips. It's a laminated door glass, in and out easy, but because this was busted out, it took me a little bit longer. That's it, I got the glass in. But one thing I'll tell you, when you plug this wire back in, make sure this locks. So if you lock it, it looks like it's locked. See if you can pull it out. If it pops out, that means it's not all the way locked. So what could happen is, yeah, it works, but then when you push the button, it doesn't work because this popped out. So it's very easy to pop out. So there are grooves right here. You see those little grooves? They go in a channel inside of that thing. There's like channels there. So I was testing it and I was like, why is it not working? So I locked it, but it didn't lock. It didn't go. It didn't have a full connection, so it was just sticking out. Just make sure you do that. And there you go. I got this cover here. This panel probably costs more than my truck, so gotta be extra careful. Yeah. So these are the parts that has to come off. I just put them on the seat. I don't want nothing happen to them. All my tools on the floor, so you don't say I'm scratching the fucking Royce over here. All right, just a quick tip on this Royce Cullian. And here is your bad boy. One thing I'll tell you though, you cannot get this part. This came straight from England. It's like comes in this box right here. See, I had to put the gloves on because the glass was messed up. Yeah, this is like a almost $5,000 piece. Almost, yeah, I think it's like $4,800 for the freaking door glass. Laminated door glass. It's just the laminated door glass. It's insane. Alright guys, just quick tips on this. If you do it in the future, one thing, you have to have the glass shipped to you, and that's it. Have a good day, guys.